Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to my video. So guys, in today's video, I am going to be deep condition my hair for hair growth. So these are the three things, it's your four stuff that I'm going to be working with. I am having banana, one egg, mayonnaise, and olive oil. Okay, you can use any olive oil you have or mayonnaise you have. So mayonnaise is also Bama, guys. So let's dive into these videos. So this is what I'll be using that is helping me to grow my hair. Yeah, some people used to say, why is your hair short? You know, because I cut my hair. My hair was very long before. I don't know what pushed me to go cut it, you know. So since I've cut it now, so I started regretting it. So I have to start again, you know. So this is how I grow it. Okay. My hair was very, very long. Okay. So some people used to say, stop using all those stuff for your children's hair. Oh, mom, my dear, all these things you see me using, are they not natural? They are all natural ingredients. Okay. So I am not using something that will affect my children. Okay. So I am using natural ingredients to treat their hair. Okay, so if you are not treating your own, that is your own thorough. Okay, so for me, I am treating my children's hair and also treating my own. Okay, so I'm treating our hair. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing for years. So let me do it, don't complain. All right, so it's my hair, it's my children's hair, so we want to grow it. All right, so if you don't want to grow your children's hair, it doesn't mean that another person will not grow his or her child hair. All right, so let's blend. So guys, this is it. So this is how I sieve mine. So you can use a clean cloth or anything to sieve yours, to remove those chaff. Okay, so this is how I do mine. All right. I'm going to be adding in vitamin E because I have dandruff. All right, my hair is itching me, and also you know that kind of dandruff that normally cause injury inside your hair. So that's what I had right now. So that's why I want to add vitamin E. Okay, so that's enough. Let me add a bit. So that's enough because it will help to repair my scarf. Okay, I'm going to be adding glycerin because of my scarf, so that's why I add this glycerin. I hope you guys are seeing everything that I'm showing. Now the one you people will say, leave the list, leave the, what do they call that in itself, leave the ingredients. I have to be writing. No, me, I will not write. I don't have that time. So you guys should see everything that I'm using, that I add. So you guys should see everything that I add. I hope you will see it. So if you watch the video, you are going to see everything that I'm using. Okay, so this is mayonnaise. Okay, so don't ask me to leave list. So watch it so that you know everything that I use. So I will not leave list. I don't have that time. So I'm going to be adding in mayonnaise. So that's enough. So it's time to add in olive oil again. So that's enough. So I have to stir everything together, all right? So guys, this is it. I have to stir everything together, all right? The hair is growing well. Stop, don't do that in the kitchen. Go. When I finish, I'll call you. Okay. Let your daddy call. Your daddy hide the Nutella. Are you seeing the way my hair looks so soft? This helps a lot, you know. So if you are finding it difficult to detangle your hair, so try this method. It's going to work for you. And also, this is for all hair types, okay? All hair types can use it. It's not just for only fussy hair. So all hair types can use it, all right? So I thank you guys for supporting me. We just hit 35K followers. So I thank everybody on this journey. So thank you all for believing in me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following my page. God will bless you all as you follow, you know. So thank you for supporting. All right, you are going to be seeing more video back to back very soon. All right. So thank you, thank you. So are you seeing my hair? So let me brush it up. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? The hair is growing every day, you know. So it's time to cover it. So guys, I am going to use this bag to close it for like 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, if you are doing it for your child, so you can leave it from 10 to 15 minutes before you rinse it, before you wash it. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. It's for all hair types. Okay, all hair types can use it. All right.